Hello friends, today we are going to explore the amazing world of letter sounds from A to Z. Let's start with letter A. Repeat after me. A says eh, 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 eh. A says eh, 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 eh. Great job! Now let's think of words that start with A sound. Look at these pictures. We have an apple, an alligator, an astronaut. They all start with A. Say it again. Eh, eh, eh. Wonderful! Now let's move on to letter B. B says B. B, B, B. Fantastic! What words can we think that start with letter B? Ball, butterfly, a bear. They all start with B sound. Say it one more time. B, B, B. You are doing fantastic. Time for the letter C. C says K. K, K, K. Yeah, you are doing great. Let's find some C words. A car, a cake, and it's a cat. K, 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 K. Yeah. Let's move on to letter D. D says D. D, D, D. We have a dog, a duck, and a drum. D, D, D. Yeah. Next letter E. E says eh. Say it again. E says eh. Eh, eh, eh. We have an elephant, an egg, and an envelope. Eh, eh, eh. This is letter F. F. F says F. F, F, F. We have a fish, a fan, and a flower. F, F, F. Let's see. This is letter G. G says G. G, G, G. We have a guitar, a gorilla, and a gift. G, G, G. Letter H. H says H. H, H, H. We have a hat, a horse, and a helicopter. H, H, H. Now is letter I. I says E. Say it again. I says E. E, E, E. We have an igloo. We have an ink. And it's ice cream. Letter J. J says J. J, J, J. J says J. J, J, J. We have a jellyfish, a jam, and a jacket. J, J, J. Time for letter K. K says K. K says K, K, K. We have a kite, a kangaroo, and a king. K, K, K. Letter L. L says L. L, L, L. Say it with me. L, L, L. A lion, a ladder, and a leaf. L, L, L. Let's move on to letter M. M says M. M, M, M. We have a moon, a monkey, and a muffin. M, M, M. Letter N. N says N. N, N, N. We have a nest, a net, and a necklace. N, N, N. Letter O. O says O. We have an octopus, an orange, and owl. O, O, O. Letter P. P says P. P, P, P. We have a penguin, a piano, and a peacock. P, P, P. Letter Q. Q says K. K, K, K. We have a queen, a quilt, and a quill. K, K, K. Letter R. R says R. R, R, R. We have a rainbow, a rocket, and a rabbit. R, R, R. Now it's the letter S. Say with me. S says Sir. Sir, Sir, Sir. We have a sun, a snail, and a strawberry. Sir, Sir, Sir. Letter T. T says T. T, T, T. We have a turtle, a tomato, and a train. T, T, T. Letter U. U says A. Like umbrella, uncle, up. It all says U, up. A. Letter V. V says V. V, V, V. We have a volcano, a violin, and a vase. V, V, V. Letter W. W says war. W, W, W. We have a wall, a watermelon, and a watch. W, W, W. Letter X. X says X. X says X. We have X-ray, a xylophone, and a Christmas tree. They all start with X. X says X. X says X. Letter Y. Y says Y. Say it with me. Y says Y. A yogurt, yak, and a yacht. They all have a sound of Y. Y, Y, Y. Now it's the last letter, letter Z. Z says Z. Z, Z, Z. We have a zebra, a zipper, and a zigzag. Wow, we completed the ultimate phonic adventure. Great job! Thanks for watching. See you next time.